Y ahora por fin llegamos a la U. So now we can finally practice our last vowel, which is the U. Proper pronunciation, as in the word impromptu. U is the proper pronunciation of our U. U. Impromptu. U. So, as always, commonly mispronounced words first. As we constantly keep discussing, the word is similar to the word in English. Don't get too excited. Vowel sound still has to change. The sound of this word is not going to be the same. So, word in English, unity. Notice how we pronounce the word in English like it as if it has a Y here, like it's a U, like it has a Y-U, unity. We don't pronounce it the same in English. What do we say our proper pronunciation of the U is? It's U, like in the word impromptu. U. Never with a Y in front of it, unless you see a Y. So now, let's pronounce this the proper way. Not unidad, but unidad. Unidad. That is the proper pronunciation. As we go through our drills, let's remember our proper pronunciation of this letter U. Sufrir. Sufrir. Tú. Tú. Usted. Usted. Algún. Algún. Luz. Luz. Grupo. Grupo. Luna. Luna. Notice we're dropping that A. Ah. Luna. Jugar. Jugar. Duro. Duro. Nunca. Nunca. Uno. Uno. Not uno, like we're playing the game. We got to put that accent on. Remember that O is short and crisp. Uno. Uno. Número. 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 Puro. Puro. Last but not least, this is the most mispronounced word, or one of the most mispronounced words. Now, in English we say music. This is music. We pronounce it like we have a Y here, the same way we pronounce unity, like there's a Y in front of it. In Spanish, remember our pronunciations, we have to stay faithful to those pronunciations, and they don't change. There's never going to be a sound where we see a U with a Y in front of it if there is no Y in front of it. So, this word is U. Música. Be faithful to all of these vowels here. Música. And notice that there's no Z sound. In Spanish in English we say music, like it's a Z. In Spanish, our S's are pronounced S. Música. Música. Remember that pronunciation of that word. So, we finally finished our vowels, all 5 of them. Before we move on, because I am going to break down the pronunciation of the consonants, that's also very important for us. But before we move on, I just want to do a review of our vowel pronunciations. Since I believe that this is extremely important, I think that it's good just to get some practice in remembering how we are to pronounce our vowels and how they are not the same always as they are in English. So I'll be talking to you soon. Have a good night.